Hello students, today we are going to do the poem O Captain, My Captain. This poem is by Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman is an American poet and writer. He is considered to be the poet of America. He was educated at the hands of nature. He read widely and at the age of 17, he began his career as an innovative teacher. His greatest work is Leaves of Grass. His biggest legacy is his invention of the American free verse. Whitman believed that poetry should be a spontaneous expression of life. His poetry was accurate, factually and emotionally. No other poet has a better claim to be deemed the organ voice of America as Whitman. He is deeply patriotic. He was hailed by Swami Vivekananda as spiritual genius. Rabindranath Tagore said, "Whitman gives me pictures." He is a poet of body as well as soul. His poems were written in sprawling lines, simple imagery, and great verse. Now this poem, O Captain, My Captain, is an elegy written in the loving memory of Abraham Lincoln, the 16th President of USA. After taking a bold decision of the abolition of slavery and to make the nation survive through a civil war, Lincoln was assassinated on April 14, 1865. The Civil War started in 1861 and ended in 1865, and it was between the northern states of USA and the southern states of USA. The present composition is an elegy expressing the genuine grief on the death of Abraham Lincoln. Using the metaphor of a voyage of a ship through a dangerous storm, the poet relates the journey of Lincoln, who stood erect and made the nation stand united even in the darkest night. The poet grieves, and his grief grows intenser with each moving stanza, and he experiences a heavy personal loss. The people are exulting at the shore. The flag is flung and the bugle trills celebrating the victory, and the poet is mourning at the death of his captain. The poet begins by creating an imagery of a ship which was steered by Abraham Lincoln as its captain. The ship is the great nation United States of America, and the captain is the President of United States of America, Abraham Lincoln. After going through all the turmoils of the Civil War, finally the captain becomes triumphant, and he himself became an offering at the altar of the nation. In the first stanza, the poet begins with a note of happiness and victory. All the people are happy at the victory of the nation. The music is playing, the flags are flying. But at the closure of the stanza, the poet mentions that for him, everything is finished because his captain, his father figure, is lying cold and dead on the deck of the ship. This shows the filial love of the poet towards his president, that is Abraham Lincoln. He says, "O Captain, our fearful trip, that is the Civil War, has come to an end. Though we have suffered much, but yet the prize we sought, that is the abolition of slavery, that is won by us. I can hear all the people happy. I can hear all the people shouting, and their eyes are following a steady keel, that is the ship, that is the ship is the country." But he says, "Oh heart of the bleeding drop of red." And this shows his extensive grief. Why? Because his father figure, his captain, the president, is lying on the deck, fallen cold and dead. I will be doing the second stanza tomorrow. Thank you.